Science will reveal the truth.
Move to the beat! Reinhardt, we need to find you some new tunes.
What's wrong with the classics? I love Hasselhoff. Have you heard Night Rocker?
It is not my preference to see to matters personally, but I will see them done.
Yeah, Lucio, where's that speed boost? Oh, you didn't go the way that I super strong.
Injured again. Get into position. I require assistance.
Shit. Oh, yeah, that's my fault. Doing that dumbass MPS over there. Did kill Junkrat though.
Repairing the damage.
On the objective.
I need to recharge.
Shit.
I'm not dead yet. Allow me to repair the damage.
Oh,
Son of a bitch.
I require assistance. This will restore you. Огонь по готовности!
Party on the objective.
how did he get to the objective? I thought he speed boosted me so I could kill the fucking Zarya. Turns out he's just a fucking idiot.
They're Mercy.
God damn it. How would she bubble him? There was no reason to bubble him.
Meteor strike ready to be unleashed. I found it.
My will made real.
There's Mercy.
Injured again.
Oh, let's break it! Damn!
Got beat. Sorry, is that?
Fire at will! Surrender to my will.
Junkrat's fucking getting close to her on the left.
On the objective. Coming.
This will improve your condition.
I need heals!
Out.
Огонь по готовности!
How is this a thing? Holy shit.
Fire at will!
Nice.
Go!
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
Nobody went with me to kill the Zarya. And then look what happened. Didn't even need help killing her, I just needed some heals.
I didn't even see you. I was healing the retards on the point. One's over,
Well,
over
stop
there.
doing that.
I didn't even see Zarya.
Science will reveal the truth.
See.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Must violence always be the solution? Teleporter online. We move
5,
quickly.
4, 3, 2,
Shit.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I have located the
They running goats? Something similar.
This will heal you.
One's on the left, on the right, I mean. Sneaking around.
No, it's not goats.
Right over here. Ah, there.
teleporter online.
Get into position.
God.
I'm restored.
You might want to.
Reality bends to my will.
Helden sterben nicht.
Surrender to my will. Allow me to repair the damage.
Mercy is behind.
I think there's a Hanzo back there. Nope, guess not. Hanzo's dead.
This will improve your condition.
Well, we can win. So if we stay grouped up, they don't have a shield, so...
Get into position.
Well, I'm losing my barrier.
Shit, I got one shot. Shit. Shut the fucking box. You didn't even shoot me.
Let's reflect upon this.
Alright, Genji got a couple kills. God, all this dying makes it so fucking hard to get an ult off though.
Nice one.
Because I can't build it. I'm always dead. I don't know, probably not gonna have time for another one now.
Teleporter
And that's really our only thing we got going for
60
us.
seconds.
The power of destruction.
Sim's not gonna get one. I don't know what the fuck happened with hers. Frig, come back. Come back, Frig.
Get up there.
This will heal you.
On the left. Alright, you can be back here. There is right is after me. Back way up.
Injured again. Surrender to my will. Fire at will.
Farrah's dead. I got Farrah. Shit.
One swing, that's all I can get.
Work in Unit 7. Our defense will be intelligent adjustment. Running to
I must reflect upon this.
Rallied. Almost back.
Teleporter online.
Make it to the.
Play of the game.